Roi드미 robot vacuum and mop cleaner if plus has two boxes. It's divided into the robot vacuum and mop cleaner and the dust collector. Let's open the box of the robot vacuum and mop cleaner. You can find the manual and the distribution card, mopping module, 10 pieces of disposable mop, filter, robot vacuum and mop cleaner, side brush, main brush, dust bags and water tank, filter. Let's open the bags of dust collector. Take out the dust collector. There is a small white box inside the dust collector. Open the white box. It's a power cable and 4 pieces of dust bag. Open the top cover of dust collector. It's the dust bag and cleaning brush.